This is one fly up the stairs. It's a 2-bedroom. This is the entrance. It's got shelves. Very high ceiling. And this is the bathroom. New tile. Full-size bathtub. And this is the living room area. It would fit a couch like this and a TV there. This is 6 p.m. right now. This is open view. It's sunnier, like this is north, so it gets a lot of light during the day. This is the biggest room. Very high ceiling. It's actually quiet for facing the street. Deco fireplace. The heat and hot water is included. Management, the super is very responsive. And this is the door there. And you can put a big dresser over here. And this is the bedroom. If it's a queen size, definitely. You could fit a king. And this is a washer and dryer. And it's got shelves, storage space. This is the kitchen. Small dishwasher, full fridge.